Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, all of you. Okay, today is our last session. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Mr. Yogesh Sonone,
Yes, sir.
the coordinator of this national international project, the Indian National Coordinator, Mr. Yogesh Sonone, will be joined soon for this session.
Sir, it's hard to think.
What? What is hard to think?
It's over today, sir. For my our project over today.
Yes, yes, yes. Shall we start?
Okay, sir.
স্যার ওয়েট প্লিজ,
Yes, ma'am.
একটু দাঁড়ান, আমি একটু হাতটা ধুবো। এটা স্ক্রিনশট নিতে হবে আমাকে।
So we start today's program. In this India Bangladesh Teachers Telecollaboration International Project 2021.
Yes, sir.
Today, as a chief guest of this session is Honorable Yogesh Sonone sir, the National Coordinator from India. He will be joining soon. So, we shall start. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
In this session, India Bangladesh Teachers Telecollaboration 2021 International Project. I would like to welcome the chief guest of today's session, Honorable Yogesh Sonone sir, and I would also request him please say some few words and give us some wishes and blessing for today's session. Honorable Mr. Yogesh Sonone sir.
Thank you, my friend Suresh Surwadi sir. First of all, I welcome all of you and I greet as Namaste to my friend Rumana and Rita from Bangladesh and all students who have gathered here. Friends, first I am quite satisfied with the smiling face of our teachers and students. It is a symbol that this program has definitely going to be a huge success for the continuous and professional development of all our teachers and students as well. Friends, in March 2021, when I got infected by COVID-19, that time I was very nervous. My self-confidence was fell down, and that time my wife, my kids, they encouraged me, motivated me. Papa, don't be rest as 24 hours, but you have to get some exercise, some yoga to recover fast. And I kept their good blessings, I kept their words, and so I 100% recovered successfully from COVID-19. But between my these hard times, I just thought about that I must have some innovative way of teaching and learning, which should be very useful for our teachers as well as students' sake. That's why I communicate with my American fellow, Yanet Villalowel. In the same way, I communicated my best friend Bharat Shirsat from Jalgaon district. In the same way, I also communicate with my bestie Aisha Siddika, Shamsuddin Nahar, Shamsuddin Talukdar, then Mamtaz Akhtar, and all my Bangladesh teacher friends. They promised me that they will provide hardworking and innovative teachers for this project. And I am blessed with lots of hardworking and innovative teachers here. For example, Rumana, Rita, Suresh sir. So friends, just listen that every project teaches us the new teaching and learning process. In the same way, this telecollaboration is also in the same way, because all of you know that there are 21st century skills: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, in the same way. But during this pandemic time, all our schools are closed. Teaching and learning process which would be going on physically, but now it seems 24 hours online. So I just thought that there should be a virtual platform which which can be a great platform for teachers and students. That's why I innovated this method. My American colleague, my Bangladesh colleagues all helped me. Then I chalk out a program, means the process of this program, objectives, then sessions and evaluation pattern. So to do everything, first I created registration link, and then I created some baseline that what is the pre-knowledge of our students about sustainable development goals, which are originated from United Nations in 2015. So these have very importance in our school life, in our social life, in your human life. So everyone must aware about these 17 sustainable development goals. But I just thought about the 7 sustainable goals which are linkage with our education system, and that's why this project has been chalked out. So I give my best wishes, I give my best congrats to all you participants, teachers and students who have given their best efforts, hardworking initiatives to become success for this project. Now I want to ask from Suresh sir, how many teachers from India in your group?
I just only one, sir.
Okay, means you are one from India, and
Yes,
from
I am one.
Bangladesh, Rumana,
There are two teachers.
Rumana and Rita.
Rita
Two
Sharkar.
teachers from, yes, Rita
Yes.
Sarkar. Okay, means one teacher from India and two teachers from Bangladesh. Okay, no matter.
Yes, sir.
So Ganesh sir, please tell me how many your students.
Sir, five students are here,
Okay, your 5 students, and Rita,
and they are
how
very
many students you
enthusiastically.
have?
Sir, they are very enthusiastically
Yes,
joined in this session. Every
very
session
good.
they they have taken part. Every session they have tried to discuss with Bangla teachers, and every day they have learned something. Even today's session, uh, one or two students want to express their thoughts and their feelings.
Yes, yes, yes. First, tell me, Rita, how many your students are here in this project?
No, sir.
No.
No student
Okay.
involved here.
Okay, okay. And then Rumana, how many your students are here?
No student, but my colleagues are sometime attend the session.
Okay,
My
okay, no problem.
my principal, head of the department, Samsuddin Talukdar sir, or others, my colleagues, 3 days attend my session.
Okay, no problem. Now, Suresh sir, you
Yes, sir.
just drop me a message, including your 3 participants' name. Suresh Surwade from India, Rita Sarkar, Bangladesh, Rumana Firdos from Bangladesh. So I can share that message in our group. Thus, this team has also concluded their 16 sessions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully that all of you have registered already. Then you got your project ID. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Yes, sir.
have you filled pre-awareness test?
Yes, sir. The
Rita,
first,
you first test,
yes,
pre-awareness
yes,
test.
yes. I have filled the pre-awareness test.
Rita and Rumana, have you filled?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now you have to fill. Now I will give a registration link and certificate link to Suresh sir. He will share with you. Suresh sir, your
Yes,
5 students, they also have to register here. When
Okay,
they
sir.
register, when they fill link, you
Okay.
get their project ID from me, collect from me, and then share with your students, and then your student can fill the certificate form. If
Okay,
they
sir.
don't have project ID, they can't fill the certificate link. And just listen that every teacher must fill pre-awareness test, post-awareness test, survey test, and certificate form. These four must be filled by every teacher and students. Then their certificates will be generated. Otherwise, their certificate won't be generated. Okay, you got my point, Suresh sir.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, sir.
But I would like to request you, please tell me, repeat again that
Listen.
what should my student do?
Now, Rita and Rumana, you both have to be filled pre-awareness test. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
Yogesh
sir.
sir,
Yes, yes.
ফ্রি অ্যাওয়ারনেস টেস্টে যদি ফেল করি তাহলে কি সার্টিফিকেট পাবো না?
Yes, yes. It is given in certificate. It is given in certificate. You don't worry.
যদি
Suresh sir will share with you that certificate link. So you both have filled pre-awareness test, then post-awareness test, then survey test. All links are given in certificate. If you read every question carefully, you will find their certificate links. You just click it and solve the test. Okay. Suresh sir, now
Yes, sir.
your
Okay,
role is first you share the registration link among your students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then your student will fill it, and when they fill it, the information will gather to me. Then I will give you project
ID number.
ID for fifth. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you ask your student that now they can fill the certificate form. Now I will give you two links, one registration link and second is certificate link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you just give registration link to your students and you
Okay.
have to fill certificate form. You have to share both links to Rita and Rumana also. Just send their certificate link to them. Okay.
Sir, my
Because
second
they
doubt.
have already
Okay, sir.
registered.
Sir, my second doubt
Hello,
is.
sir.
My second
Yes,
doubt
yes.
is
Ask.
that after getting the project ID, is there need to my student to give pre-awareness test?
Yes, pre-awareness test, post-awareness test, and survey test. These three tests are given in certificate link. Don't worry. You just
No, no.
read carefully. Tick. Yes,
Is the need of student to
yes,
to
yes,
fill
yes.
to
It
fill
is
the
need of student. Yes,
pre-awareness
pre also.
test? Okay.
Yes, pre also, post also, and survey test also. There are three links given in certificate form.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
I will give now two links: registration link and certificate link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Rumana and Rita, have you got my point? You
Okay,
both
sir.
have to fill pre-awareness test, post-awareness
Yes,
test,
sir.
and survey test, which is given in certificate. Suresh sir,
Okay,
you
sir.
just send only certificate link to both person, Rumana and Rita. Only you have to circulate certificate form link.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, got it.
And you have to share your student only registration link.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now I will listen.
When they will get their project ID, then
After that they can fill certificate form,
okay, sir.
certificate link.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir,
Without
got it.
project ID they can't fill.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yes. Now I will listen to your two students in short time because I have another group. I have to join there.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much for create such a platform. Thank you so much,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, Subodh.
Suresh sir.
Yes.
Yes. Subodh.
Subodh.
Hello.
Yes, Subodh. Hello, Subodh. How are you?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How
Hello,
are
sir.
you?
Good evening. I'm fine,
Good
sir.
evening.
How are you?
Okay. I am also fine.
Okay.
Okay, Subodh sir. I would like to listen your experience about telecollaboration project.
Okay, sir. So I like the quality education session. The SDG 4 is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all.
Okay, very
SDG
good.
4 has 10 targets which are measured by 11 indicators. The 7 outcome-oriented targets are free primary and secondary education, equal access to quality primary education, affordable technical, vocational, and higher educational increased number of people with relevant skills for financial success, elimination of all discrimination in education, universal literacy and numeracy, and education for suitable development and global citizenship. The three main objectives are to build and inclusion and safe schools, expand higher education scholarship for developing countries, and increase the supply of qualified teachers in developing countries. Major progress has been made in access to education, specifically at the primary school level for both boys and girls. The number of out of school children has almost halved from 112 million in 1997 to 60 million in 2014. In terms of progress
Okay,
made,
okay,
global
Subodh, I got your point. Okay,
Okay,
Subodh,
thank
I
you,
got
sir.
your point. First, tell
Okay,
in
sir.
one sentence, how do you feel about this tele-collaboration project?
Sir, it is full of information, and I am very thankful to Mr. Suresh Surwade sir that he gave me opportunity to come and take part in this.
Very good, very good. So, do you like this project?
Yes, I really love it.
Okay, very good, very good.
Okay.
I give best of luck to your future career. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Suresh sir, we will go to second student.
Prathamesh Patil. Sir, he is the student of standard 10 from my school, and he is very enthusiastic as well as very cooperative. He every session he has supported as a technical supporter.
Okay, very good.
Okay, I would like to request Prathamesh, please explain your experience within few words.
Yes, yes, sir. Good evening, sir. First,
Good
our
evening, Prathamesh.
chief guest of our session, and respected teachers and all the students here. So I am very lucky to get the opportunity to speak with all those respected teachers. And firstly, I like of our session that we had discussed and shared awareness about SDGs by among the students who are the future of our both the nations, and with the teachers who are the architecture of the future of the nation. So this is very important thing that we have done here, and we have got very much knowledge and information, and the other way we have also discussed about traditions, customs, and all the things like festivals, holidays in our both the countries, both the regions. So it got our very much knowledge as well as information. So I will very thankful to you, sir, that you have made such a great platform and such a big opportunity to all the students and some teachers in both of the regions like India and Bangladesh to collaborate with each other and make our society very powerful and strong. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Prathamesh,
Thank
you
you,
are a good
Prathamesh.
teacher of English. Yes, yes. These type of students are the pillars of our society, our nation. And you are the diamonds, you are the teacher diamonds who are shaping their life on a right track. So I always salute to all my teachers who are shaping their students, who are giving their best efforts to create new students and to promote their lives for society. So I again congratulate all of you, all teachers and all students, and I am thankful to all my teachers who participated here and gave their best. So it's time to leave now. So you can keep your session, and Suresh sir, you give registration link to your students and
Okay, sir.
certificate link to both your two partners, and share your message to me so I can share to our group. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then namaste and bye to all of you. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Namaste, sir. Thank you so much, sir. One
Allah
second.
Hafiz.
Okay. The next student I would like to request Sumanta.
Yes, sir.
Please open your video and tell something about what you like during these 15 days.
Okay, sir. I like the topic gender equality. Achieve
Okay.
gender equality and empower all women and girls. Thought the pledge to leave no one behind. Countries have committed to fast track progress for those few furthest behind. First, SDG 5 aim to grant women and girls equal right opportunities to live the free without discrimination, including workplace discrimination or any violence. This is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. In 2020, representation by women in single or lower house of national parliament reached 25%, up slightly from 22% in 2015. Women now have better access to decision-making position at the local level, holding 36% of elected seats in local deliberative bodies based on the data from 133 countries and areas which list female, genital, multinational and cutting is becoming less common. At least 200 million girls and women have been subjected to this harmful practice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sumanta.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss in this sixth session about best three achievements through this session. So I welcome everybody in this session number 15. It is actually about feedback and insight. The first question we are going to discuss here about best three achievements, specify only three, means best three achievements. Even the honorable teachers from Bangladesh, please specify three things. First, I would like to request Honorable Rita ma'am, please specify best achievements through this project.
Thank you, sir. I had a good time from the beginning to the end. Your presentation was very nice. Although we had some obstacles, but overall I liked everything. I like everything. Sir, I think the biggest achievement from the project is that a friendly relationship has been formed between the two countries and partnerships. I hope this relationship will remain intact. The next achievement is to learn about the your social, culture, and sites of Maharashtra. Although we had some idea about India, also as a neighboring country, but through this project, I got an idea about all over India, specifically Maharashtra. And the next achievement is to learn about SDG, my Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals was blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The Sustainable Development Goals was set up in 2015 by the United Nations. General Assembly are intend to be achieved by the year 2030. So we commit our the sustainable goals, development goals, also known as the global goals, were adopted by the United Nations 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty. Project the planet and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy paces and prosperity. So we commit over ourselves to working tirelessly for the full implementation of this agenda by 2030. We organize that eradicating poverty in all its forms and dissemination, including extreme poverty, is the greatest global challenge and an independence stable requirement for sustainable development. That's all, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Rumana, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Will you please tell us that best 3 achievements? What do you learn from this? What obstacles do we face? Please tell one by one. First, I would like to request you, please tell us about the 3 best achievements from this project.
Yes, sir. আমি বাংলায় বলছি। আমি সর্বপ্রথম ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি বাংলাদেশের শামসুদ্দিন তালুকদার স্যার, আয়েশা সিদ্দিকা ম্যাম, মমতাজ ম্যাম। তারপর কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করছি যোগেশ শর্মা কাম ফ্রম ইন্ডিয়া এবং সবচেয়ে যে ব্যক্তিটি কাছে আমার শিখেছি এতদূর পর্যন্ত, অর্থাৎ এই সেশনে 15টা সেশন কমপ্লিট করতে পেরেছি, তিনি হচ্ছেন আমার শ্রদ্ধেয় সুরেশ সুরওয়ার্ডে। এবং পরবর্তীতে একটা সেশন পেরুবার পর আমাদের সাথে যুক্ত হয়েছে রীতা ম্যাম। রীতা ম্যামকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আমাদের সাথে যুক্ত হওয়ার জন্য। আমার সবচেয়ে বড় যে অ্যাচিভমেন্ট সেটা হচ্ছে এই যে আমি আমাদের পার্শ্ববর্তী দেশ ইন্ডিয়ার সাথে একটা বন্ধুত্বসুলভ সম্পর্ক গড়ে তুলতে পেরেছি। এটাই আমার কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় অ্যাচিভমেন্ট। আমি সবচেয়ে কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করছি আমার শ্রদ্ধাভাজন সুরেশ সুরওয়ার্ডে। তিনি অত্যন্ত চমকপ্রদভাবে আমাকে হেল্প করেছেন আমার এত দূর এগিয়ে আসার ক্ষেত্রে। তিনি কখনো আমাকে বাংলা প্রেজেন্টেশন করতে দিয়েছেন, কখনো হিন্দি, আবার কখনো ইংরেজিতে। এই জন্য আমি স্যারের প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞ প্রকাশ করছি। আমাদের যে মিশনটি ছিল বা যে বিষয়টি ছিল এডুকেশন কোলাবোরেশন সাস্টেইনেবল গোল, এটা যে 17টি বিষয় ছিল, সেই 17টি বিষয়ের মধ্যে যে কোয়ালিটি এডুকেশন, রিজন, ফুড, মাই কান্ট্রি, হলিডে, তো কালচারাল, আমাদের দেশের সাথে আমাদের পার্শ্ববর্তী দেশ ইন্ডিয়ার কিছু কিছু মিল আছে। তারপর তেমনি তাদের দেশ ইন্ডিয়ান কালচারেরও শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থা এরকম একটা বিষয় ছিল এবং তাদের সাইকেলিং এর একটা ব্যবস্থা করেছিলেন সেখানকার সরকার। এবং আমাদের দেশে যেটা ছিল টিউশন ফি, অর্থাৎ উপবৃত্তি যে বিষয়টি আমাদের দেশে আছে ইন্ডিয়ান কালচারালের মধ্যে ইন্ডিয়ান শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থায় সে বিষয়টি আছে, কিন্তু তার মধ্যেও একটি পার্থক্য রয়েছে। সেখানকার বিভিন্ন অনুদান পেয়ে থাকেন শিক্ষার্থীরা, এবং সেই সমস্ত পোর অর্থাৎ যাদের আর্থিক সঙ্গতি নেই, তারা বিভিন্ন রকম সাহায্য সহযোগিতা পেয়ে থাকেন। কিন্তু আমাদের দেশে সেরকম সাহায্য সহযোগিতা পেয়ে থাকেন না। আমাদের দেশে শিক্ষার্থীরা যেই সহযোগিতাটা পেয়ে থাকেন বিদ্যালয় থেকে উপবৃত্তি পেয়ে থাকেন। এটি সরকার কর্তৃক একটা টিউশন ফি দেয়া হয়। তো আমাদের দেশের শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থা এবং ইন্ডিয়ান শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থার মধ্যে একটা পার্থক্য রয়েছে, এবং চাকরি ক্ষেত্রেও দেখা গিয়েছে টিচাররা একটা বেতনের যে ভ্যারিয়েশন, বেতনের বৈষম্য, হয়তোবা কোলাবোরেশন না করলে এটা আমরা জানতে পারতাম না। অপরদিকে দেখছি ইন্ডিয়ান কালচারাল অনেক ডেভেলপ, কালচারালের দিক থেকে ইন্ডিয়ান অনেক ডেভেলপ। বেসিক্যালি মহারাষ্ট্রের যে ঐতিহ্যবাহী খাবার, বিশেষ বিশেষ লোকেশন, তারপরে ট্রাভেলিং, যে উল্লেখযোগ্য স্থানগুলো রয়েছে সেগুলি আমরা দেখেছি, এবং দেখে এত ভালো লেগেছে যে এই কোলাবোরেশনের মাধ্যমেই এটা দেখা সম্ভব। আমার কাছে মনে হয়েছে যে শুধু যে আমরা বাংলাদেশি 127 জন শিক্ষক এই কোলাবোরেশনের সুযোগটা পেয়েছি সেটা নয়। আমি চাইবো যোগেশ শর্মার কাছে আমার একটা বিশেষ রিকোয়েস্ট, এই আমরা 127 জন বাংলাদেশি শিক্ষক নয়, আমরা যাতে 127 জনের জায়গায় আরো বেশি পার্টিসিপেন্ট করতে পারে সেই ব্যবস্থা করতে। আমার মনে হয়েছে যে ইন্ডিয়ান শিক্ষক 124 জন রয়েছে, আমি চাইবো ইন্ডিয়ান শিক্ষক 124 জন নয়, সেখানে আরো যারা এটার সাথে সম্পৃক্ত হতে চায় তাদেরকেও মনে হয়েছে এটাতে সম্পৃক্ত করা উচিত। এবং আমাদের দেশে রিলিজন, তাদের দেশের ইন্ডিয়ান যে রিলিজনটা প্রায় কাছাকাছি হলেও কিছুটা আবার পার্থক্য রয়েছে। পোশাক আশাকের ক্ষেত্রে আছে, আমাদের দেশের কিছু খাবারেরও পার্থক্য মিল পাওয়া যায়। যেমন কিছু স্পাইসি খাবার যেগুলি রয়েছে, পানিপুরি, কোল্ড ড্রিঙ্কস, আমাদের দেশেও এটা একটু মিল রয়েছে। যেমন স্যার মহারাষ্ট্র বর্ণনা করতে গিয়ে আমার প্রথম দিন স্যার আমাকে আমার পার্টনার সুরাডে প্রথম দিন ওনার স্কুল ক্যাম্পাস যে দেখিয়েছিলেন, সেটা দেখেই বোঝা যায় যে আসলে ইন্ডিয়ান কালচার কত ডেভেলপ। একজন ক্যাপাবিলিটি অর্থাৎ আর্থিক সচ্ছল শিক্ষার্থী আরেকজন অর্থনৈতিকভাবে সচ্ছল নয়, তাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করা যায় তার একটা ফান্ড ক্রিয়েট করেছিল। এবং স্যার আমাকে প্রথম দিন দেখিয়েছিল বস্তার মধ্যে বিভিন্ন খাবার ভরানো আছে, কোথাও জব, গম, রাইস, যার যা সামর্থ্য সে সেই হিসেবে কিলো হিসেবে এটাকে জমা রেখেছিল। আবার যখন স্যানিটেশনের কথা যখন আমি বলবো, স্যানিটেশন আসলে ইন্ডিয়ান কালচারে কিছু কিছু প্রদেশে হয়তো উন্নত নয়, আবার কিছু প্রদেশে এটা উন্নত। যেমন এখন আমরা টিভিতে ইন্ডিয়ান স্যানিটেশনের অ্যাড গুলো দেখতে পাই, তো সেখান থেকে মনে হয় যে কিছু প্রদেশে এটা এখনো উন্নত হতে পারেনি, আবার কিছু প্রদেশে উন্নত হয়েছে। কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়া থেকে মহারাষ্ট্র আসলে অ্যামেজিং এবং সৌন্দর্য পূর্ণ একটি রাষ্ট্র। তেমনি ভাবে আমি যখন আমাদের দেশের কালচারকে তুলে ধরেছি, আমার পার্টনার সুরেশ সুরাটে অত্যন্ত চমৎকার ভাবে তাকে উপভোগ করেছেন, এবং তিনিও বলেছেন যে বাংলাদেশ ইজ এ নাইস কান্ট্রি, বাংলাদেশ রিয়েলি travel and more travel. Bangladesh people are so uh, gentle and so helpful. কারণ আমার কাছে মনে হয়েছে সুরজ স্যার আমাদের দুজনকে দেখে বাংলাদেশের দুজন পার্টনারকে পেয়ে সেই বিষয়টা উপলব্ধি করতে পেরেছে। আমি কখনো ভাবিনি যে এরকম একটা সেশন আমি করতে পারবো, কিন্তু আমার পার্টনার সুরেশ সুরার্ডে আমাকে অত্যন্ত আহ স্নেহ সাথে আমাকে ব্যাপারগুলি বুঝিয়েছেন। আমি প্রথম দিকে একটু আপসেট ছিলাম, যে বলেছি আমি হয়তো এটাও বলেছি আমার প্রথম প্রজেক্ট, প্রথম পার্টনার, প্রথম কোলাবোরেশন। আমার পার্টনার আমাকে বলেছে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজ ডাজ নট ম্যাটার, বাট আই অ্যাগেইন মাই achievement, my YouTube link. I try to sometimes give the YouTube link or my partner my Bangladesh achievement, my Bangladesh cultural, my Bangladesh food habits, Bangladesh agriculture, Bangladesh ভৌগোলিক সীমার রেখা, or I am man or Bangladesh representative. আমি বাংলাদেশি রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ হয়ে I have give the some trophies or Indian partner teacher collaboration. I proud my partner teacher Yogesh Sharma and Rita Sarkar, or I proud you Prathamesh or স্যার দুজনের নামটা কেন ভুলে গেলাম।
other student
Sunita.
আমার পার্টনারের ছেলে এবং মেয়ে, এদের প্রতি আমার স্নেহ ও ভালোবাসা রইল। এবং প্রথমেশকে বিশেষ করে ধন্যবাদ জানাই, কারণ প্রথমেশ সবসময় আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করেছে। আমিও হয়তো প্রথমেশকে অনেক সময় বলেছি যে প্রথমেশ এই বিষয়টি তুমি একটু করে দাও। তো আমাদের দেশের শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থাটা এমনই যে ইচ্ছা করলেও কেউ যেতে পারছে না। তবে একটা জিনিস আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে যে ইন্ডিয়ান কালচার অনেক ডেভেলপ, কারণ ইন্ডিয়ান টিচারদের মধ্যে একটা কোলাবোরেশন আছে। ইন্ডিয়ান টিচাররা একে অপরকে সাহায্য করে, যেটা হয়তো আমাদের বাংলাদেশের মধ্যে এখনো ঘাটতির অভাব রয়েছে। তো আমি বলবো যে আমরা যদি ইন্ডিয়ান টিচারদের সাথে কোলাবোরেশন করি এবং এই বিষয়টি শেয়ার করি সামাজিক মাধ্যমগুলোতে, তাহলে মনে হয় আদার্স যে বাংলাদেশি টিচার রয়েছে তারা দেখে অন্তত হলেও নিজেদের যে পুঁজি রয়েছে, নিজেদের যে মেধা শক্তি রয়েছে, সেটা সবার কাছে বিলিয়ে দেবে। আমি একটা কথা খুব ভালোভাবে বিশ্বাস করি, একজন শিক্ষকই পারেন তার মেধাটাকে সবার মধ্যে বিলিয়ে দিতে। কারণ আমি এটা বিশ্বাস করি, আমার জ্ঞান বিলিয়ে দিলে বাড়বে বই, কমবে না। অনেক শিক্ষক হয়তো মনে করছেন যে আমি আমার জ্ঞানটাকে তার মাঝে বিলিয়ে দিলে আমার জ্ঞানটা কমে যাবে। এটা কখনোই না। আমি যখন আমার জ্ঞানটাকে স্প্রেড করব, সবার মাঝে বিলিয়ে দেব, তখন আমি সার্থক হব। এই কারণে যে আমি কিছুটা হলেও others people, others student, my knowledge, give them my knowledge. So I'm proud you, my partner teacher Suresh Surate, and my others partner teacher Rita Sarkar come from Kumilla, Prathamesh, all others students. Thank you everybody. Thank you all of them.
thank you ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So the other students are presented also here. Purva Patil, Dheeraj Bhalera. If they want to tell something about, I would like to request them to tell something about this project. If not, I'll go ahead and start telling about this project, what I felt during this session. Now I am telling about this session's feedback or the Indian Bangladesh Teachers Tele Collaboration 2021 International Tele Project. The feedback of this project, I would like to share first about the objective of this project. The objective which is designed by United Nations of this project to examine if teachers are able to improve their awareness about 7 SDG Sustainable Development Goals as well as language skills, cultural knowledge, and increased motivation in foreign languages. So this is the objective of this telecollaboration, and the best thing I would like to share is amongst us means the teachers and students, all the partners will fulfill this object because everyone should know about the SDG. So we are happy to share this thing that the teachers as well as the students aware about these 7 sustainable development goals. The second thing is that language skill. I am very happy that Honorable Rumana ma'am speak in English fluently using various words as well as their feelings, and we can express our gratitude about both of the Bangla teacher that sometimes when they are very enthusiastic and their spontaneous feelings come, they speak out, they spoke out in Bangla. So I am very happy and thankful and grateful to both of you that in these days I learned Bangla. Even my teachers told me that
ধন্যবাদ স্যার।
my teacher, my friends, my colleagues told me that, sir, during these 15 days, you learned and understood, you listened and understood the Bangla very clearly. So thanks both of you. The second thing I would like to express is the best achievement for me is I have already come to know, I have already known about the 21st century goal, but here explaining this goal and even implementing one of them, that is collaboration. We have just know the definition of that collaboration. The act of working together to achieve the common goal is called collaboration. But during these 15 days, we experience collaboration, we act together, we come together, we get success together. So this is actually the teachers collaboration during these 15 days. So again I thanks both of the teachers and my students, though they may be my student, but I'm very thankful because due to these all people we will complete this session. We will going to complete this international project. So this is the second best thing I would like to share with you. And the third best thing is that with the help of this SDG 7, from 1 to 7, I learned one thing, that everywhere on the world, in Bangladesh or in India, there are some similar problems like no poverty, quality education, women equality, the people who are deprived from the society. So these are some of the same problems. So with the help of the SDG 7's program, we will share in the classrooms with the students so that the SDG 7 will be achieved by 2030. So these are the three best things I would like to share in this program. The next topic is that what do you learn from this? I learned that there is no discrimination between men and women. Even the women are our best friends. So the friendly relation between the Bangla teacher, I learned. The second thing is that I learned the cultural and educational facilities implemented by the government of Bangladesh, as well as some of them I have already known, but nowadays I know more about the government schemes related to United Nations SDG. And the one thing is that our government has implemented Niti Aayog, and it is very important thing that every student should know about Niti Aayog, as well as RTE 2009, the Swachhata Abhiyan. So these are some of the topics. If one by one we will share with our students in any classroom, the student will aware about these problems, and from the ground level, all will able to do to complete this sustainable development goal 3. The next topic is what are the obstacles here. Instead of internet, I can't share anything that these are the obstacles. But it was
Networking problem is very much, sir.
oh yes, ma'am. But we manage with the help of
Yes, sir.
teachers as well as the students. I'm very thankful to one
Yes,
of my
sir.
students who helps me in both things, preparing PPTs as well as sharing the screen. So I would like to tell him that I'm always ask the help so that you will improve your skill, and it is the blessing to you from me. You are always blessed with a best elocution. He is the best eloquent, the speaker, and I hope he will be achieve whatever he wants in his life. So I will also tell him that ask me anything if you want without any hesitation. As a teacher, it is a blessing to you from me. The next thing is that the other students, Subodh, Sumanta, Purva, and Dheeraj, are very cooperative and helpful. They, instead of going outside in this pandemic situation, they all, without playing games on video, without study or managing their classes, they come to this session regularly. So everyone will be uh, very careful, very studious, and I give all of them my blessing. And also I tell you, they will all of them will very great people, very great person in their future, and their work will be very useful to the society, so that the their work will help to make the nation great. The next thing I would like to share here, that is what parts you didn't like in this project. I think nothing will be shared that we didn't like in this project. But even though there is a protocol to tell the answer of every question, so I'll try my best to tell the answer of that question. What parts you didn't like in this project, I will just share that you agree or not. But I didn't like only SDG 7. all the 17 targets which are established by the United Nations to develop culturally, educationally, all the countries on the earth will have to be taken for this project. Means instead of 7,
Yes, sir.
all the 17 SDGs. If the program will be lengthy, but I think with my honorable teachers, I will be manage all the 17 SDGs through this program. So I think this is the
Yes.
this part is I did not like. If instead of 17 maybe there, we will complete them with very enthusiasm and zeal. So this way we come together. Coming together is the beginning. We work together. Working together is the progress. So I wish you all the best, all of them, all of you, even Mr. Yogesh Sonowne sir, who has already presented and tell us about this program. Before some days, Honorable Samsuddin Talukdar also come to visit in our online webinar program. He also give us some guidelines related to this project. So these people are really doing the great work due to these national coordinators among India and Bangladesh. We are come to this project. So I am very grateful all the national coordinators like Honorable Yogesh Sonowne sir, Honorable Samsuddin Talukdar sir, and their another honorable and respected teachers, ladies and gentlemen. At last, I am very happy to say some few words about UN, who has designed the program for teachers as well as for students with the help of all the dignitaries known or unknown related to this project. We will very thankful all of them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All students.